Hello, I thought today we'd do a bit more cooking and I thought we would make a tartare sauce. To make a tartare sauce, you first need to make mayonnaise. And I do mean make mayonnaise, not buy mayonnaise. There are certain things in the kitchen that are quite hard to make, so buy them. How would you make a red currant jelly for lamb? I'm not very sure. Mayonnaise though, huge difference between how lovely homemade mayonnaise is and how all right bought mayonnaise is, even if you buy one of the big brands like the one beginning with an H, in my opinion. And it's really easy to do once you've got the technique. So you start with this bowl of stuff here. That is 2 egg yolks, about a tablespoon of a good quality vinegar. I've gone for cider vinegar. White wine vinegar would be absolutely fine. You don't want saracens, you know, you want a kind of a quite nice posh vinegar. I've got 1 clove of garlic, which I have finely chopped in there, a good teaspoon of mustard, and about the same for honey. And first of all, we're just going to amalgamate all that. I mean, you could just do it with a fork really, but I've got the whisk out because we're going to need this whisk a lot in a moment. But to start with, just on a low setting, we are just going to amalgamate the ingredients like that. So that now is ready for the only ingredient that's not in so far, and that is oil. This is sunflower oil. Corn oil will do, vegetable oil is fine. What you don't want, surprisingly, is good quality olive oil. When everybody makes mayonnaise for the first time, they think, oh, in the recipe it says corn oil or vegetable oil. I'm going to make it much nicer. I'm going to use a nice olive oil. No, it's horrible. The flavour is so intense, you wouldn't believe how wrong it is. So we're going to make it using just this corn oil. I'm going to gradually, slowly to start with, drop by drop, pour in the corn oil, and I'm going to whisk it until we end up with a wonderful thick cloud of lovely golden mayonnaise. But that will be for part 2 of this tutorial. I'll see you next time. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe.